Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set face lock on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here you can scroll down to on the down you are going to find the lock screen option. So click on the lock screen. Then here you are going to find the face recognition. So click on this face recognition. Then click on continue. Then here you have to select any pattern lock, okay, any screen lock, okay. Suppose I select the pin. Then here you have to write the numbers, then click on next. Again you have to write the same numbers and click on ok. After you have been click on ok, here you just need to click no option and click on continue, and this will scan your face, okay. So let's scan our face, okay. Just click on continue. After you have been scanned, you are going to find this option, okay. So you just need to click on the done. Then so here the face lock has been applied successfully on the mobile phone, okay. You can set it like that. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.